Are you a regular here? Because, you know, we work on tips.
Apparently we have another homicide in a massage parlor.
If you're asking if a girl like me knows what goes on in a place like this, since your eyes just undressed me, don't you think I'm worth top dollar?
I wanted her for myself. I wanted to take her away from this place. How did a girl like that get to do this?
What are you gonna do? Use those handcuffs?
Why wasn't she scared? Didn't she know there was a killer on the loose? It was my job to protect her.
These guys want to know something about this crackpot, who he is, where he's from, and you're telling me you got nothing.
Okay, Rocky. I'm laying you down. Now what are you gonna do?